Hey friends, welcome back. Looks like we're about to get a Solana summer because ANSEM is trying to revive the trenches, and I'm going to show you a chart right now. Why might that be possible and what's going to confirm this whole move for Solana? So let's get into the charts. So before we get into the charts, this is basically what revived the market. ANSEM is actually working really hard right now for the crypto scene. He and Banks is just pumping out podcast after podcast talking about the markets, important updates, and it's pretty, their content is really good. They have very, very famous and good traders that they invite. So, I suggest you check it out. It's called Market Bubble. And now they decided to make a meme coin basically to revive the trenches, and because I think a lot of people were mad about Pump.Fun for not doing their airdrops, so I think ANSEM decided to launch this, and I think all of the fees that gonna be coming from is he's going to be sending out to a bunch of wallets, a bunch of people in this week. I think he probably sent around 300k already, or probably more than. But a lot of people are up big on this trade because it shot up from basically 100k market cap to 100 M market cap, not even like a month. It took like a few days, to be honest. This is like a testimonial that there's people still have money. There's still a lot of liquidity in the market. Everyone's just sidelined and waiting for the perfect moment. He's basically up 75M on ANSEM, but he's not selling a single thing. I think he's just gonna use the fees to airdrop everyone. I think he holds about 65% of the supply, so it is now worth 73 million. This is crazy, to be honest. And the chart that I was talking about is this. So if you look at the the Solana versus Bitcoin chart, it's starting to move right now because Bitcoin is starting to break down, and Bitcoin's just so weak, boys. And because of what ANSEM did, Solana is getting stronger right now. This could be another Solana summer. It looks like Solana is feels like a bottom, to be honest, because we took out some liquidity here. Everything's really cleared, and we're basically below here, but we have some gaps here. So I'll say prefer if we go a bit lower, like maybe below 50s, like mid 45s, 48s, so that we could scoop up and buy Solana a bit cheaper. Because right now, 74 is cheap, but I would prefer to buy Solana right around this area. One more flush, and then we get a Solana summer, and that would be really nice. Look at the Solana versus BTC chart. It's starting to, this is the weekly, by the way, it's starting to reverse, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive green candles. Remember when that happened here, we shot up on September 2025. Remember this summer, I think Solana was just boom, 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 boom. And then this was a really, really nice trading the trenches time. But the best months that probably for the trenches was like this whole move up. So yeah, I'm pretty excited this summer. Let's see how Solana's gonna do. Hopefully we can buy it a little bit cheaper though. But for Bitcoin, I am still looking at Bitcoin. I'm trading it. I do have shorts open. It's still looking weak, to be honest. But we're probably gonna chop for a long time here, because remember we chopped like how many months inside this all-time high, SR flip basically. So it's gonna take some time maybe to break down or to bottom, because this is a big we have a lot of volume in this area, so we're probably gonna just chop, and I highly suggest, if you want to trade Bitcoin, just have a bit wider stops, and honestly just have like limit orders DCA, because I feel like we're really gonna come down a little bit lower, like 786. So if you check the fib levels, the 786 is around 39k, which is also this low. See, we have a key low right there. I feel like we're gonna come back for that and hit that before going to the next bull run. So quick update, boys. I do have some links below. Make sure to subscribe, use my links. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.